Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another explainer video. Today we're talking about everything you need to know about starting to drive in Ireland. If this is your first time on the channel, hit subscribe as it really helps us out, and leave a comment with what you want to see next on the channel. Anyway, let's get into it. So let's start off with the first step you need to take on your journey to getting on the road. First, you must take what's called a theory test. The theory test consists of questions related to topics such as rules of the road, good driving behaviour and risk perception. The cost of the theory test is €45. There are 40 questions, and to pass you have to answer 35 or more correctly. You can take your theory test at your nearest driver theory test centre or remotely under a new pilot scheme, but the Citizens Info website states that there is only a limited amount of remote testing available, so check the website theorytest.ie to see the latest available date. To take the theory test you can be any age, but the pass certificate only remains valid for 2 years. When you pass your theory test, you can then apply for a learner's permit. You can apply for a learner's permit to drive a tractor at 16, but you must be 17 or over to apply for a car permit. The cost is €35. Once you turn 17, you can get your learner's permit and start driving. But before you get out on the road, make sure that you have insurance. Most people usually get insured as a named driver on a parent or family member's car. Make sure you're accompanied at all times and that you display L plates. The next step is to start taking lessons. The RSA requires 12 individual 1-hour driving lessons. Your driving instructor will record your progress from each lesson in your logbook. Then when you complete your 12 lessons, you can apply for your test. Remember that you must have held your learner's permit for 6 months before you can take your driving test. Many people, before they take their test, have 1 or 2 pre-test lessons. These are extra lessons you can take with an instructor, and they help you to prepare for the test and can help iron out any small problems or habits you may have before your test. The fee for the driving test is €85 for a car. It lasts around half an hour, give or take. When you show up for the test, you will be asked some theory questions first, such as road signs. Then you will likely be asked to pop the bonnet and point out parts of the engine, such as where the coolant is and how to check the oil. But don't worry, you will have been shown all of these in your driving lessons to prepare you. Then you go out for a short drive with the examiner set beside you, and when you return to the test centre, the examiner will tell you your result. When you pass, you can then apply for your full driving licence, and this costs €55. You're now a fully licensed driver, but don't forget that for the first 2 years you must display N plates to show that you are a novice driver. I put some useful website links in the description below if you want to check them out. I hope this quick explainer has answered the questions you may have had about starting to drive in Ireland. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with anyone that is thinking about starting to drive soon. And until the next one, thanks for watching Deck of Cars.